The feeling is strange, it's far from the same. I need to get back to the basics.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce, and today I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how I wash and retwist my hair. I'm using this Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo. I have a lot of flat locks, so I'm just showing you a close-up of a few of them because today I'm going to be palm rolling my hair. I usually don't palm roll, but I wanted to get rid of some of these flat locks because I want them to be round. So we're going to start doing that now. Alrighty, so now we're going to start the wash process. I usually wash my hair in the shower, but today I'm in my kitchen sink because I figured this would be the best way for me to show you all what I'm doing. So I'm just rinsing my hair to prepare for the first wash. LOL. Okay. So as you can see, I'm taking some of the shampoo for the first wash and we're just putting it all over. I don't have a system for real for how I wash my hair, so I really just go at it, and here we are. So during the first wash, I really try to focus on my scalp because, yeah, that just makes sense. So I focus on my scalp, and here you see me really scrubbing the front of my hairline just because I use edge control almost every day, and I want to make sure that I don't have buildup. So I take each lock at the front of my hair and individually scrub it just to get any buildup that may or may not be there from the edge control. Now that the first wash is done, I'm rinsing the shampoo out of my hair so that we can get ready to repeat. Here I am starting with the second wash, and let's just get into it. During the second wash, I try to focus on my locks, so you'll see me starting to squeeze my locks just to get the shampoo inside of them. And now I am rinsing my hair for the second time, and y'all, it may seem like I didn't take that much time to wash my hair, but in reality I just cut a lot of clips out of this video because I did not want it to be too long. Now that my locks are all clean, I am taking a t-shirt and just drying my hair. And once my hair is dry, you'll see me begin to separate my locks. I like to do this before I go in and retwist because I feel like it just makes the whole process a little easier. retwisting my hair, I did already oil my scalp with castor oil, and that is also what I'm using to retwist. I am not using anything other than water and oil. Now, I know a lot of you keep telling me that castor oil is too thick for locks, but this is really the only oil that doesn't make my scalp really itchy. So until I find a new oil, I'm just going to continue using the castor oil. But other than that, that is all I have to say for right now. So I will catch you guys once my hair is all dry. so my hair is all dry. I took the clips out and all that good stuff. And let me just say, I was feeling myself a little bit after this retwist, okay? Because I felt like my hair grew a little bit and I could tell it was showing, okay? Clearly, I'm feeling myself a little too much. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and like this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Alrighty, bye.